We have noticed that sometimes Edmodo gets your time zone wrong. In order to make sure you have the correct time zone on your calendar for all of our Zoom events, please log in to your account and then go up to the top right-hand corner, the gray circle with the little person in it, your profile. Go to settings. These steps will be similar for every type of Edmodo account, whether you're a parent or a student account. You want to go up to that profile picture and click settings. Your menu options might be slightly different though. After you've gone to settings, make sure you're in the personal information section and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Where it says time zone, make sure you select the appropriate time zone for your area from the drop-down menu and hit Save Changes. You should get the little pop-up that says your settings have been saved and you are all set. Your calendar should show the appropriate time for your time zone. If you have any questions, please message us and let us know so that we can get everything sorted out for you.